Hey there, folks. It's Adam here just to show you the current radar and the future radar moving into this afternoon. We are closely watching the potential for some damaging wind gusts, potentially hail is definitely a concern. Isolated flooding might be the main story here, and there is a low, potentially questionable risk for an isolated tornado, probably around the Georgian Bay area, if anywhere, maybe kind of buried to the north. It's hard to say for sure. But that whole risk is questionable. Nevertheless, we're going to be watching closely, and we did outline this in our forecast map. So let me just do a little zoom in here so we can see the area in question, which is kind of south of Georgian Bay. As I zoom in, we should get some more city names here. There we go. So you can see where Barrie is. If I zoom in a bit more, we should get... are we going to get more? Let's see here. There we go. So Collingwood, Creemore. Main risk is Elmville, Midland, possibly Aurelia, as well as Barrie with this line moving through. So it can look a little bit ominous with these storms. There's a fair bit of energy out there in the atmosphere. The wind shear isn't the greatest, so the overall risk is a bit questionable regarding the overall severity and the overall risk regarding tornado potential. Again, low questionable. Main risks are going to be hail, possibly some isolated damaging wind gusts, and quite a bit of rain. Our new free app called InstantWeather, which is what we're looking at right now, showing 32 millimeters for Barrie, so that's quite a bit. And sometimes I find that the app can underestimate the rainfall a little bit. So yeah, I mean, if upwards of 50 millimeters fall in that area, there could be definitely some isolated flooding, and that is a concern. So let me back this out a bit so those around the area can see kind of a better idea of where these storms are heading. We use Google Maps here on the app, so we're kind of at the mercy of how they display city names. As you can see, south of Georgian Bay, they're not even showing Collingwood or anything over here. Let me zoom this in so the folks in that area can kind of see. There we go. So we've got the current storms moving east-northeast, and then we're going to see more development coming off of Georgian Bay as well too. So that's what we're going to be watching for this afternoon. We're going to be watching very closely, of course, and if we see anything rotating or we're seeing large hail or damaging wind signatures on radar, we're definitely going to put it on the page. And also, too, please update the app because we have some cool new features. If we see something very strong, we can now post an instant weather update. So we can put an update for you. You can see the details right in the app. You can get notified right on the phone. So if we see anything of concern, we can go ahead and highlight it in a very small polygon, and then anybody in that area will be notified of the potential severe weather. So that's something cool, and you need the newest version, please. So go to the App Store, search Instant Weather, and download our free app if you don't already have it. And if you do, please hit the update button and get version 480. So 1.0.480 is the latest. So that's it for now. We'll be watching very closely. As always, please let us know what you're experiencing, only if it's safe to do so. And be safe out there, folks, and eyes to the sky for sure. We'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye.